Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable high contrast text on your XIAOMI Smart L1. To enable high contrast text, click on the settings button on your remote, then go to accessibility, and now you can simply find high contrast text. I have it already enabled. If I disable it, you'll notice how some texts have lower contrast, and when I enable it, now all texts have an outline which gives it a higher contrast, and also the color of the text itself is set to more contrasty to the background. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.